In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn any text in Google Slides into uppercase or all capital. So usually the way you do it is by selecting the text. Let's say I'm going to select this text and go to format and then click text, capitalization, and then you can select uppercase. So I think that is the most popular way to turn any text into capital. But if you have tons of text boxes in your slide like this, I have 3 text boxes, and it's going to be a bit exhausting if I have to manually select all of them. Instead, what you need to do is you have to select the text boxes, not the text. You can use the cursor to click and drag, and this will essentially select all the text boxes, and then go to format, text, capitalization, and then click uppercase. So that will instantly turn the text into capital, and I think this is a lot quicker than the previous method, which is just manually selecting each text box one by one. So I hope this video helps your situation.